energy. Come again. Good morning, grade 6. Okay, please sit down. Wow, I can see a lot of faces right now. And everything is clean. Good job, grade 6. Keep it up. So today, class, I will show you a picture. I want you to observe it and identify what is in the picture. Is that clear? Okay, so first one. I want you to answer me in a complete sentence. Is that clear? Okay. What is the first one? Okay, very good. The baby is sleeping. How about the second one? Can you see? Okay, the boy is shooting the ball. How about the third one? The girl is standing. And the second to the last? Very good, the boy is running. How about the last one? Very good, the boy is riding a bike. Very good, grade 6. All of your answer is correct. So this time, we will be having a game. Do you want to play a game, class? Okay, that's good to hear. But before that, I will divide the class into 4 groups. So your group will be defined based on the things you will get later. Is that clear? Okay, so I have here a box that consists of different colors. So you will pick at least one. Once you get it, don't open yet. Is that clear? Okay, spread this box. Okay, class, do you have it all? Okay, it's now time to open the things that you are holding. Okay, who got the Max candy? Raise your hand. Okay, stand up, move forward, and go into this part. This will be your designated part. Who got a Halls candy? So this will be your area. Amanda's candy. Who got Amanda's candy? Okay, this will be your area. How about the last one, the XO? Okay, stand up. So this will be your area. This time we will be having charades game. So in this game, each of the group must have one representative. So who will be your representative group 1? Okay, come in front. How about the group 2, 3, and 4? Okay, move forward. So what you're going to do is to act the praise without saying it. So you will pick one in this box and all representatives take turns to act to make it fair to everyone. Is that clear, class? Okay, let's start. So before that, I forgot, you will be using this flag. So the first group who will raise their flag will get a point. Is that clear? Okay, let's start. Here is the group 1. Let's give them a round of applause. So this time, we will be having experiments. So you will only group by 2. So the group 1 and 3 will be combined, and 4 and 2, you will be combined. So I have 2 sets of materials here. What you're going to do is to form a model. So the group 1 will make a Ferris wheel, while the group 2 will make a car balloon. Is that clear? So this will be your materials, group 1. A plastic bottle, a cup, and a balloon, and a refillable pen. While the group 2, you will be using this cartoon, straw, and a glue gun. Is that clear? Okay, you may start now. Once you're done forming your models, I want you to observe it and list all the things that you observe in that model. You can do several things to make it move. Is that clear? Okay, you may now start forming your model. if that's so,
I want to see your model if it's working or not.
let us examine and hear your observation about the model that you formed. Each group shall have designated speaker to tell us what have you observed in the said activity. Okay, group 1, come in front and tell us about your observation about your model. Very good, group 1. Let's give them a clap. How about the group 2? Thank you, group 2. You explained it very well. Let's give them a big clap. So all of your observation is correct. So we will use that observation and model in the use of, all of you, can you read? Okay, kinetic and potential energy. So why do you think this model moves? Anyone in the class? No one? If things move, that is what we call energy. What do you mean by energy? So energy is the ability or capacity to do work. So kinetic and potential energy is the two forms of energy. Let us define potential energy. All of you, can you read the definition of potential energy? Okay, very good. Potential energy is the energy that is stored in an object due to its position relative to some zero position, or simply refers to us as an object that is remain at rest. So the example of potential energy is, girl is standing. Your example is this ball. This ball sitting on the table. That is what we call potential energy because it remains very good. It remains at rest. So let us convert this potential energy into kinetic energy. But before that, let us define what is kinetic energy. So all of you, can you read the definition of kinetic energy? Okay, very good. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion observable as the movement of an object or subatomic particle, or simply refers to us as the energy of moving objects. So one of the examples of kinetic energy are a boy riding a bike and a boy who is running. One of the example is this ball again. So I said a while ago that if this ball is sitting on the table, that is what we call potential energy. So when I release this ball and throw it or make any move just like this, that is what we call kinetic energy because it moves and it changes in position. Or there is interchangeably of position. So let us use this model. Let us determine the potential and kinetic energy. So if this car remained at rest, what did this car possess? Its potential energy. Very good. What if I release this air into this balloon? Let us observe what will gonna happen into this car. So I will release the air. What happened? What did you observe when I released the balloon? The car is moving. Exactly. So what do you call to that one? Very good. It's kinetic energy. Why do you say so that this is kinetic energy? Because there is changes in position and the car is moving. Very good. Give ourselves a round of applause. So go back to your group. I want to see your group a while ago, the 4 groups. I want to see 4 groups in this class. Okay, move faster. So I have here a cartolina that has a word puzzle and 4 bags that consist of jumbled letter. Now, all you need to do is to analyze the following question for you to be able to form the puzzle using this jumbled letter. Is that clear? So the first group who finished their word puzzle is the group 3. Let's give them a round of applause. So your points will be added to your quiz later. Is that clear? Okay, perfect. For you to be able to understand our topic, let's have an activity. So spread out, move faster. Are you done? Okay, so you are going to answer the test 1 and test 2. So the direction is, so I will read the direction. So write D if the statement is true, otherwise write F if the statement is false. And the test 2 is, identify if the sentence is kinetic or potential energy. Write KE if the sentence is referring to kinetic energy, and if the sentence is referring to potential energy, then write PE. Understood? Okay, you may now begin. Are you done?
Okay, in the count of 5, all papers must be in front. In the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's the end of our lesson. Okay, let's call it a day. Goodbye.